So what are you doing, mister? So Steve is cooking dinner again. And we are going to have lobster. What are you trying to do with it? Bake it? Honey, what are you doing?
Trying to cut this real quick, the back of this. Well, I'm getting my hand cut.
Is that how he cut it? I
Mhm.
think he uses a sharp knife.
He used scissors.
So you are going to totally take the meat out of the shell?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? I thought you cook it with the shell in it.
No, ma'am. We're going to cook the meat, but we're going to take it out first.
And throw the shell?
No, we're going to still you keep the shell. You see what I'm doing. There we go.
Just put on top of it?
Yes, ma'am.
See? The next one, just don't take it off.
No, you have to, you want to take it out, and then you lay it out. It's like presenting it.
It's not gonna stay there.
Yes, it will.
It keeps falling.
And I close it.
So what did you do now? Basting it with butter,
And parsley, and
dried parsley,
yep,
garlic, and he seasoned the meat right here, the lobster first with salt and pepper, and then brush it with melted butter with crushed garlic in it and some parsley. And we are going to bake it in 400 degrees
Weather.
for
The
12
weather
to
is what the
15
air
minutes.
is
For
like
12
at
to
a certain
15
place and
minutes.
time. The A sound.
yeah, kind of rubbery now.
okay. So after 15 minutes now,
No, 12,
That
13,
was-
14.
14 minutes. So we baked it for 14 minutes, and that's how it looks like. Looks yum.